So I really wanted to use a wireless charger with my iPhone 8, and I wanted to use it in my car, but I needed a way to hold it on my dash. So I came up with this. So this is version 1 of my charger holder. Overall, very happy with the print quality and the tolerances, as the charging puck fit in perfectly with just a friction fit, didn't have to do any glue. One thing I did find was that the channels that I built for the wire management were just a little bit too snug. It made it difficult to get the micro USB engaged with the charger, and there was a couple of points where the cable itself couldn't even fit into those little side ports that I had built for it. So that's something that I'll reconcile in version 2. The other component was those sidewalls. Going all the way up to the top, it made it kind of difficult to grab the phone and pull it out of the charger once you put it in. And so that's something that I reconciled here with version 2.0. I dropped the sidewalls down, and I gave the channels for the wiring a little bit more room to grow. So using Panavise's in-dash mounting brackets for my particular model of car, I was able to mount this version 2, and it seems to be working just great.
Hey, Frith.
Woo!
Do you notice anything new about your dashboard?
There's like this really cool purple docking pad with a charger and a tinkering rocks thing.
Cool.
Oh, can I try it out?
Please do.
Okay. Charging! Ah, that's hecka cool. Thank you.